Hey guys, Techmaster 00 here. Uh, Today, I believe that it is part 8, um, and I am going to be talking about hard drives and external hard drives. There's kind of a big difference between the two, um, but I'm going to start. Um, okay, first, internal hard drives. Don't worry about the blue stuff. That's just something Dell does for safety, like you just slide them in. Yeah. But hard drives are, hopefully you know this if you have any computer experience, it stores all your data, all your files, your operating system, Windows, Mac. Um, so yeah, it stores all of your information on it. Um, yeah, there's two different kinds. There's internal, they go inside your computer and blah, and external, outside. Um, Internal, you install your operating system and stuff on. You operate off of this. Um, External are usually used for business people who are like travel a lot for business, or people who just worry that the computer's gonna crash one day, which all computers do eventually. And they store all their stuff on this bad dude right here. Okay, how can I start this? Internal hard drives, nowadays, this is just an 80 gig because this is really old. Found it laying around. Um, so this is just an 80 gig, but it gets the job done. I put Vista on, sorry, I put Vista on here yesterday. Works just as good. Um, the, the hard drive that's in this computer now, I believe it's a 500 gig. Let's see. Yeah, 500 gig right there. You can't see it, but yeah. Yep. Okay, so nowadays you want to go with around 250 gig to 500 or even 640. 640 I would say is the most in my opinion. Because you're not going to be using it all. But you never, like, if you have a 500 gig hard drive, only use up to 300 gigs. And Windows has this awesome feature where if you go to like my computer, um, it shows like a green bar if your space is good, then a yellow if it's getting there, and red if it's just saying like stop, don't put anything else on. Um, so yeah, for gaming, for games and stuff, I would suggest a 450 to a 500 gig hard drive. For businessmen, I'd suggest a 500 to a 640. For just internet browsing, saving files, Word, and Photoshop and stuff, I would suggest a 250 to a 500. Um, so mainly, I just say get a 500 or a 350. Um, okay, so that's external hard drives. Uh, or internal, sorry. Internal is the hard drive that has the white or the green chip on the outside of it. Um, Okay, external hard drives, they usually come as a USB um, interface. And interface is just like the installation type. Um, and this is USB, just little wire. Um, External hard drives, as I already said, they are usually used for backing up your computer. Like if you're on Vista, you can hit start, type in system, and it says system backup. It says system backup. And you usually want to back it up to one of these guys right here. This is a 250, and right now my whole computer is only 236, so this is perfect. Um, yeah, you can install operating systems on here. Like if you're like just on the go and you don't want to bring a tower with you or anything, you have just like one of those really small monitors that are like 8 inches. Um, You shove them in your pocket, put this in there with it. Um, you just hook it up to the monitor if it has a USB port on it, and you're good to go. This doesn't have one on it. I don't think. If it does, it's like 2000, Windows 2000. But yeah, my whole computer's on here right now because my computer crashes a lot and I don't want my hard drive to crap out. So yeah, you can install programs. You can run your whole computer off of this right here. And I would suggest going with a 350 for external, just for anything. And I do not, NOT, suggest putting an operating system on here and running it off. I suggest putting operating systems on here if it's a 500 gig external hard drive. Anything that's 450 or lower, do not. No operating system on external hard drive, 450 or lower. You can put external hard drive or operating systems on external hard drives 500 gigs or more. So thanks guys. This has been my really quick tutorial on hard drives. So yeah. Again, businessmen and above and stuff. Internal hard drive, I suggest a 500 to a 720 gig or 640 gig hard drive. Sorry, never go above 640 or you're just wasting your money. For Photoshop, like Dreamweaver, gaming and stuff, 500 gig to a 320 gig hard drive. Anything like just web surfing, making PowerPoints and Word documents and stuff, just go with a 320 or 240. That usually gets the job done. So yeah, this has been TechMaster 00 here on hard drives. So any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to do so. Out. Hey guys, Nick Ricky here. I just wanted to tell you guys to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, TechMaster 00, just so you get all of the updates when I post a new tutorial or video, and please watch them in high definition so you get the greatest experience out of them. Thanks. See you later.